guys, so this is a video that's going to show you how to do the extra credit study questions. So let's go ahead and open up the study questions. So we're going to go into um, the work week, and here you see the pamphlet that you're working on. The other video is already here ready with to let you know what to do there. And here is the extra credit study questions. They are on specifically notes 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to open up this document, which we'll do in a minute, and then you're going to label it first name, last name, period. The period is super important. If you do not put the period, you will not get any credit. I'm warning you right now. And then title it industrialization study questions. Answers must be in complete sentences. All right, so if it is not in a complete sentence, then you will not get credit, and it must be in your own words. Now, what is a complete sentence? Example is, if the question is, what is the color of my shirt? The answer is not just red. The answer in a complete sentence is, the color of your shirt is red. So answers must be in a complete sentence, and it must be in your own words if you want credit for them. Because this is extra credit, I'm going to be very specific. And if you don't do it right way, you're not getting any points. Um, and all the 20 questions must be filled in. As in, if you send me a document with 10, I'm just giving you, I'm marking it as 0. I'm not going to give partial credit. Either you did it all or you didn't. It must be emailed to me by Friday by 10 p.m., which gives you about 2.5 days. The subject line on the email is very important. First name, last name, period, extra credit study questions. This is what needs to go on there. The period, see, I highlighted, is super important because when I get all these emails, I need to be able to go through them period by period, and I'm not going to do it if you do not put period on there. I asked you guys the last time for extra credit. The majority of you did it. A few of you didn't. Those people had one chance and they didn't get it. So again, your subject line on your email is first name, last name. So if you go to this subject line, you're going to open up an email and you're going to put Carball here. So you're going to send it to me. And then here it's going to be first name, last name, period. And then industrial station, study questions. And I spelled it wrong. All right, like that. And then here, all you're going to put is the link of your document and you're hitting hit send. And that's it. All right. So um, make sure you understand that, sorry, make sure you understand there has to be first name, last name, period, extra credit study questions, and then just the link on there. So let's open up the document. You're going to open this up and you are going to make a copy of it, make it anyone with a link so I can open it. Let's put that on there as well. All right, make sure it's anyone with the link, and then you're going to proceed to answer the questions. Right now, here is the question, and you see how I put the letter A here? You just click on there and you start typing your answer out. All right. So again, these have to be in a complete sentence and it has to be in your own words. So if I open up your document, I see a word here, 2 words, 3 words, I'm not grading it. All right. So there are 20 questions. And some have, like this one is asking you what are the 2 ways. So there's 1, 2. Here's asking you what are the 3 impacts. 1, 2, 3. Just type in it. You don't hit enter. Just type into it. And this is due Friday by 10 p.m. Again, make a copy of it. Anyone with a link, and label it first name, last name, period, industrialization study questions. Then it must be emailed, subject line, first name, last name, period, extra credit study questions, body, just the link. Right? So once you have this, just copy the link and put it on the email and send it to me. All right, hopefully you take care of that, and that way you get some extra credit and help your grade out. But it is extra credit, so obviously it's optional. All right, thank you.